Welcome to the tutorial of Split3r How to Series. On the Split3r interface, you will find the 4 interfaces that we will need. You will also find the icons. We have 4 modes: the Prepare mode, Pre-Split, Split, and Explode. In this video, we will focus on 2 tools in the Prepare mode: Analyze and Repair. You can see here the size of the model in millimeters. X 90.8 millimeters, Y 67.9 millimeters, and Z 100 millimeters. The work zone is the main working area where all intermediate and resulting files are created and managed. To start the analysis, press the corresponding button once. You will be asked where the project folder should be created. Click Save. As you can see in the work zone, this created your work zone tree with your STL file and the S3R file. Analysis is starting. You can see that your file contains errors. The analysis is quite complex and thorough, so the loading time is a bit longer. During this calculation time, the algorithm scrutinizes your model. It checks the integrity of each polygon to detect internal overlaps or open meshes that could cause the cut to fail. We can see that the file contains 1,163 bodies. Split3r will ask you to keep the largest size. This will prevent having 1,162 files in the work zone. Click OK. Here you will find all the information related to the file analysis. As you can see in the structure, we can see the number of bodies, the number of holes in red, the non-manifold in blue, self-intersections in orange, and body collisions in magenta. All of this is reflected on your model, which becomes transparent. Once you have seen all of this, you can close the analysis by clicking the button. Analyse created a file here, Drago_001. You need to select it and double-click the file to make it appear. We will now repair it. We've completely redesigned the repair function. You now have 3 distinct strategies to handle any geometry. Start with option 1, Standard. It merges internal bodies and fixes common issues like holes or like overlapping faces. It works for the vast majority of files. If you're working on organic shapes or scans, use option 2. It uses our custom Split3r algorithms. Just be careful, it might slightly deform mechanical edges. Finally, option 3 is your last resort, powered by Blender algorithms for the toughest cases. The repair may take a moment. Don't worry if Split3r freezes for a short time. The repair is finished, a message appears, and as a result, you can see that the STL is repaired. The volume is okay, and the output has been saved in Drago _001-R2. R2 for Repair 2, Split3r algorithm. You can select and deselect the file. Double-click on the previous file and you will have your model from before the repair. Otherwise, if you want the current repair, the R2, click on it and it will appear selected and in bold. Now, let's check if he did his job properly. We are going to reanalyze the R2 file. You can see that for the moment, there are 0 faults. The analysis is finished. As you can see, there is only one body left. Everything has been repaired, no more holes, no more non-manifold edges, no self-intersections, and no body collisions. Your file is ready to be split. Once you have seen all of this, you can close the analysis by clicking the button.